It seems like everyone and their grandmother is on the AI hype train, using it to vibe code 3D Flappy Bird, making Ghibli images, or vibe coding Flappy Bird in Ghibli style. As great as all this is, it's not cheap, with Claude Pro being $18 a month and ChatGPT Pro at $200. This is when I discovered Open WebUI, which allows you to use the latest model at super cheap prices because with an API key, you only pay for what you use. But Open WebUI is much more than a shiny improvement over the old Ollama WebUI. You can use it to communicate with multiple models at once, generate images, search the web, and you can even extend its features with tools and functions. All you need is Docker, or Ollama if you want to run the models locally. Then once you create an account, you should see a screen that looks like just about every other AI chat interface, which means everything worked, and you can go ahead and add some API keys by going to Admin Panel, then Settings, then Connections. But right now, you can't add the Anthropic API key, so you'll need to grab this function from the Open WebUI website, which could be malicious, so make sure you double check everything before you install it. Who am I kidding? Just get the AI to check it for you. And once you've removed all the models you don't want, you should be ready to communicate with your model. You can ask questions in line from the generated text, load in custom prompts, talk to specific models, and even render Mermaid.js diagrams. For a tool that's free, it's already better than a lot of the options out there. But that's not all. You can toggle on web search to get the most up-to-date information, and experimental image generation to generate your Japanese anime cartoon style images, add files to the memory bank, which you can use to create your own custom model or just download one from the community. Just in case you want some words of wisdom from Nicholas Tesla. All this is great for general prompts, code generation and debugging, but when it comes to deep research, you'll have to resort to a tool or plugin, which has never seemed to really work for me. So if that's something you need, then maybe just don't cancel your Pro subscription just yet.